Today I am going to teach you how to find out decimal expansion of rational numbers. I am showing how we are dividing the rational numbers and finding out its decimal expansions. Example, that is of page number 9, example 5 I am doing, example 5. First, in that one, find the decimal expansion of 10 by 3, 7 by 8 and 1 by 7 written. So, each one we have to divide, then you will find out the decimal expansion. You have already learned this one already. 6th, 7th standard, just a division we are doing. First one, 10 upon 3. So, first divide 10. We know 3 3s are 9. So 3, 9 minus 1. Now numbers not there, then decimal you have to put, then put 0 here. Again 3 3s are 9. 1. Remainder is not coming 0, then we are putting like this going on. Means 1 is going on, means 3 3 3 3 is. Means we are getting decimal expansion of 10 by 3 as 3.333 dot 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 dot. If this one is, which one we are repeating units, recurring one, that you can represent by putting bar over it. How many digits are repeating, you have to put bar over it. How we get like this, 3.33 repeating them like this. You write. This type of look here. The decimal expansion is, if the remainder coming 0, it is called a terminating decimal expansion. Here it is 1 is going on 3 3 3 like this one. This type of decimal expansion is called non-terminating, means it is not finishing. Division is not finishing, so non-terminating. And here one of the digit is repeating, means recurring. So this is this decimal expansion is non-terminating and recurring decimal one. So here not asked them, then also I am writing which type is also. Here only find the decimal expansion written, but which type, that also I am writing here. So 10 by 3 is equal to 3.33 is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. So in this type they only just write in decimal expansion study, but this type of question is asking always what kind of a decimal expansion. So now followed, what you write, if there are the remainder is not coming as 0, then you have to write it non-terminating. If it is repeating the digits, then recurring you have to write. If digits are different coming, then you have to write a non-recurring decimal expansion. This is first one. Now second one I am showing, 7 by 8, second. 7 by 8. So divide it, 7. 7 is smaller than 8. So 0 point, put 0 here, 70. 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. So 8 8s are 64. 10 minus 4, 6. Here 6 minus 6, 0, so 6. Now, any digits not there, then put 0 here. 8 7s are 56. Here 10 minus 4, 6, 4. Here 5 minus 5, 0. Then again 0, 40. 8 5s are 40. Here look, the remainder is 0. So how can we write 7 by 8? So 7 by 8 equal to 0.875. Here this division is finished, 0.875. So this type, the 7 by 8 equal to 0.87 is a terminating decimal is a terminating decimal expansion. So here the remainder became 0. So terminating, finished, the division finishing. Here 1 is repeating on, going on only, that's why we written non-terminating recurring. Now next one is what? 1 by 7. Same way you have to divide 1 by 7 also. So 1 by 7, you have to divide 1 by 7. 1 is smaller than 7, so not putting 0.10. 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7, 3. Then put 0, 30. 7 fours are 28. Minus, then 2, then 20. 7 twos are 40. 20 minus 40, 6, 0. 7 eights are 56. Subtraction doing 4. Then 40. 7 fives are 35. Then 5, 50. 7 sevens are 49. Then 1. Then 10. Then 1. 7, 3. Now look, after getting 1, then the same number will repeat. Here 10, then 38, the same way. Then after that you will get a 20, like that remains, like this will come. Means 0.1427857. This, after this one, then the digits are repeating recurring. So no need of showing that one. So how will write this one? So like this, on division, any number is same one came, that time onwards division means after doing division we will get the same numbers of what we done here, like that only. So then you are there only, you have to stop, then you have to write, that is repeating. So followed. So 10 divided like that is then 50 came, then 49. 49 means 1. Here first we taken 1 only, 10. 10 then 1, then 30, then 7 4s are 28, this 4 only here will come. Then some subtraction you are getting 20, you will have to write to, like that repeating. So 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 dot dot. Means which here these block of digits are repeating. Then how can write 0.142857? This much digits are. After that one, same one will repeat. So you have to put a bar for this. Here also not finishing. We are not getting the remainder 0. So which type it is? So 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 is a non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Otherwise you can write, if you don't writing, 1 by 7 has non-terminating recurring decimal expansion, like that. If you are not writing the value, has sign, like that. If it is equal to value, write in E sign or non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. So actually in example 5 they just find the decimal expansion only said, but I also find out what kind of decimal expansion. So while writing this question you have to write and write the kind of decimal expansion. Understood? And write the kind of decimal expansion. So first you try to find the decimal expansion of 10 by 3, 7 by 8, 1 by 7 and write the kind of decimal expansion, like that you have to do. So followed, I think you maybe followed this one. General division only, what do you have done? Now next. Show example 6 now I am showing. Now example 6. Question from textbook only. Show that 3.14268 is a rational number. You have to show that. ST means to show that 3.14268 is a rational number. You have to copy the question from textbook. In other words, express. Otherwise, this question can be like simply like this can be asked, or in other words, express that number in the P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Look here. This is a terminating decimal expansion. Terminating 3.14268 equal to this one. You have to write it in the which form? In the rational P by Q form. If look 1.5, how will you write it? How can we remove the point? After point 1 digit is there, then we will remove that one by putting 10 below. That is 1.5 equal to 15 upon 10. If 1.52, how will you write? After point decimal 5 to 2 digits there. So in order to remove that one, below we will write 100. If 2 digits, 2 zeros is the one, means 100. If after decimal 3 digits are there, below you will write 1 and 3 zeros, means 1000. In the same way, this one look. After decimal, how many digits are there? That you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you have to write? First write in numerator, leaving the decimal. 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 7, 8. Upon. Then first you have to put 1. Now after counting how many digits I said, it is 6 digits answer. So with 1, after 1, write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 lakh we have to write it. So understood? So after decimal, how many digits are there? That with 1 you write. If you look, suppose if you have 1.5, what we have here writing 15 upon. First writing 1. After this decimal, 1 digit is there, so we will write what? 10. If it is 1.54, how will you write? 154 upon. After 1 will first will write. After this one, 2 digits are there, so 2 zeros. So that is the same way I have done with this. That is just I shown to understand only how. So this is a terminating one. So you can write P by Q in this form. Easy way you can show it is in the rational. This is P by Q form. Now next, show that example 7 it is. Show that. ST means show that 0.3333 dot equal to 0.3 can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Means this also we have to write in the rational form. Means P by Q form you have to write. How will you do? In this step, this one method you have to remember how we are doing. First, this which number you have to prove as a rational number P by Q form. You have to take that one as x, like this. Let x equal to 0.333453. How many maybe you can write like this, right? Let x. Then how many digits are repeating? You have to look. 0.33333 means only 1 digit is repeating. So this one, first one, take it as first equation. Number 1, right? If it is 1 digit only repeating, multiply both the both sides of this equation by 10. If 2 digits repeating, multiply both sides by what? By 100. If 3 digits are repeating, by 1000. In this way you do. So on multiplying, this left hand side x it is. So on multiplying x with 10, 10x. If you are multiplying 0.3333 with 10, this decimal, if you multiply by 10, you learned that multiply by 10, that decimal will move 1 digit to the right side. Means if 10.5 multiply by 10, then this point will come here, 105 it will be. If 10.5 multiplied by 100, this decimal move to 2-digit left side, right side. But here only 1 digit, then 105. Here no digits, then like this. This all you have learned already how decimals are multiplied by 10, 100, same way division also you learn. So using that one only I am doing here. So next step is multiply both sides of equation 1. This one, then circle means you have to read equation 1 by 10. We get. So why we multiply by 10, understood? Because after decimal only one digit is repeating. So 10 into x, 10x. 10 into this one multiplying, I said one digit decimal will move to one digit to right side. So like this 3.333. How many? Here 3 only written, 4. How many 3's you may can write? Here 3 digits decimal written. So that's why I am written here again. Why 333 like that only going on. Write the second equation. Next step is subtract first equation from the second one. What do you have to do? Subtract first equation from second. In textbook, by adding in another formula, this will be easy to do. So I am showing that method to you. Subtract first equation from the second. Subtract first equation from second we get. So from 10x, left side minus, right side minus, like this. 10x minus x, left side. From this one subtract this. Same way here, 3.333 dot dot minus 0.333 dot dot minus here. Directly you can subtract, otherwise in margin you have to write it column wise, then you have to subtract. Here I am doing in horizontal ways only. Look, 3 minus 3, 0. This one 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. I am showing here. If you doubt is coming like this. Here no need of putting zeros there. Then 0.333 subtraction. This one only written here. 0, 0, 0 point. 3 minus 0, 3. 3.00 means what? 3. And 10x minus x, 9x. So 9x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 upon 9. This is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3s are. So x equal to 1 by 3. So 0.3 can be expressed in p by q form. What? Which one? 1 by 3. So this is the we express 0.3 in the p by q form. That is 1 by 3. So followed how done? If it is divisible, means common factor coming, then you have to divide. Otherwise, what answer you got? The same one you have to write. This is the method. How a decimal expansion like this one in the p by q form. So understood by which number you do? That is subtraction doing. In textbook it is shown this 3.3, that is 3 plus this form x written, then taken this way. It will be easy to do this by this method. Subtraction only you can get it directly. Now same type, little different one. Same question only, means we have to express in the p by q form. I think you maybe followed it. While how the steps writing, first you have to watch this video perfectly how I done. Then 2-3 times you have to watch it again. Then after understanding it, you have to copy the question. Then you do by yourself. Then you can understand it very well. Now example 8. Textbook page number 11. That show that 1.272727 that is equal to 1.27 repeating. So correct. It can be expressed in the form of p by q. P by q form you have to write. So first what is the step? Say, first what you have to write? Forward. First we have to take that number, what less what? Let it be x, the given number. So let x equal to 1.2727 down. 2727 maybe written, you 4 only written 4. 27, 2 digits are repeating, so at least it's a double I have written 2727. Now what do you do? In first sum I explained it. How many digits are repeating? That much. If 1 digit repeating, multiply by 10. If 2 digit repeating, multiply by 100. If 3 digits repeating, multiply by 1000, like that. So here 2 digits are repeating, so you have to multiply by what? 100. So let x, that first write as first equation. Now multiply first equation by 100. Multiply equation 1 by 100 on both sides, we get. So 100 into x, 100x. By multiply by 100, the decimal you have to, how many digits you have to move to right side? 10, only 1 digit. If it is 100, you have to move that decimal, you have to move 2 digits to the right side. Means this point, 1.27. This point will, decimal will come to this side here, like this. Understood? So 1 point in order, decimal now moved. So 127.27. Now not written, but here 2727 I have written, so I am writing here 27. How many digits maybe you can write. So that is the second equation. So understood? So by suppression, otherwise you will think there is no number. That's why here 4 digits is there, so I have written this 4. Actually here 2727 is there, we not written. So multiply by 100, what is this decimal? That only I have shown here. Understood? To understand only I have written that arrow, like that, how it is moving. So now 127.2727. Now what do you have to do? You have to subtract this first equation from the second one. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get. So left side 100x minus x equal to 127.2727 dot no need subtraction minus 0.0 not it is 1.2727. This is to subtraction you have to do. If I look after decimal 272727, so that all subtraction, that is became 0 subtraction. Now 127 minus 1, it will become 126. If doubts coming, whatever I told you all, you have to write it in the margin the number. So 127.2727 minus 1.2727, like this you have to write. Then 7 minus 7 0, 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 7 0, 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 1 6, 126. That only I directly said it. Here look, after point same digits only, so on subtraction it became 0. Here 127 before decimal, here it is 1. 127 minus 1, it is what? 126. And 100x minus x, 99x equal to 126. Therefore x equal to 126 upon 99. So now P by Q form K. So before writing this one, you have to check any common factor is there, means this is divisible by any number. Look, this is here, last digit is 6, here it is 9, so it is not divisible by 2. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 9 18. So these both the digits means both the numbers are divisible by 9. So you have to divide by 9. 9 ones are 9. Now 12 minus 9 3. 36, 9 fours are 36. Now here it is 11. So 14 upon 11. So this is the P by Q form of 1.2727. So followed it here. So after getting this number, you have to check that one further divisible or not. If it is the, you have to cancel. Now example 9. Show that 0.23535 dot dot, that is 0.235 bar can be expressed in P by Q. This is little different one. First one we done 0.1, then next one before decimal 1 digit came. Here 0 point only, after 2 only 1 digit. Then 3535 only repeating, means 2 is not repeating. The little difference is there here while solving this sum P by Q form, find out. So first step, what you have to do? Which term is repeating, to that form you have to take. Means decimal you have to take to that side. Means this decimal you have to take to after 2 you have to come. Then the 3535 will repeat, first one. So first let x be only like that only first start. Let x equal to 0.23535 dot dot. But don't write that as first equation. Why? Because 2 is not repeating, only 35 is repeating. So first you have to move that decimal point after 2. So 1 digit you have to move to right side, means you have to multiply by what? 10. So multiply both sides of the equation. I'm not given the name, so of the equation only write by 10. We get 10 into x, 10x. Now this decimal move to 1. So 2.3535 dot dot. So understood? So now look, after decimal 3535 is repeating one only. So first I, here 2 not repeating. So first I moved that decimal to after that one. So here 2 only 1 digit is not repeating. So first I multiply by 10. Now this one, now after this, which sums we done earlier, in that term came 2727 like that came. So now this one write as first equation. Number 1. Now 35. As usual, how we will done? The same way you have to do. After decimal, how many digits are repeating? 2 digits. 35. 2 digits repeating, you have to multiply by what? 100. So both sides you have to multiply by 100. So multiply both sides of equation 1 by 100. We get, so 100 into 10x. Here it was x into 100, then 100x came. But here already 10x is there. We are multiplied by 100. So 100 into 10x equal to 100 into multiplying, what you have to do? This point you have to move to right side 2. So 235 it will come. Then 35 like that will be right. Here I am written 6 digits. So this one after 35 only remaining. But we know 35 is repeating here. So you can write it here. So 2 multiply by 10, 100, 2 digit 235. So this is the second equation. Now as usual, what you have to do next here? Subtracting first equation from second equation, we get, so 100 into 10, 1000. 1000x minus here 10x, first equation, 10x equal to 235.3535, 4 only, 6 or any number you can write, minus 2.3535. I'm written only 4, so here also I'm writing only 4. Now 1000 minus 10, how much? 998. 1000, 0 minus 0, 0, 100 minus 1, 99. So 990x. Now, after this decimal, same one only, so there became 0. Now, before decimal 235 minus, here before decimal which is the number 2. 235 minus 2, 233. If doubt is there, in margin you have to write these numbers, then you have to subtract. Otherwise, now I am showing it directly only. Here after the same digits coming, that became 0. Before decimal 235. Here before decimal 2. 235 minus 2 is 233. Therefore, x equal to 233 upon 990. Now look. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. It is not divisible by 9 or 3. So, this is the p by q form of the given number. So, understood here? So, here after decimal 2 is not repeating, only 3535 is repeating. So, first what is step? Let x be that one. Then first I moved, after decimal only we need to get the repeating block. So, I multiply by 10. Then to that one only I am given as first equation. Then after this one decimal 2 digits repeated, so multiply by what? 100. So here already 10x is 100 into 10x. Here also multiply by 100 only, that I multiplied and only written. Then you got here, this one is what? 1000. 100 into 1000x minus 10x equal to, you got that. So 3 examples now I done this type one. You have to practice it well. The remaining one I will show it from exercise. Next class I will show it how to do it.